welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am 𝐁𝐞𝐜𝐤𝐬𝐭 and I am back with another video on OOP series lecture number 5, and we were looking more on SS specifiers. So this video we would be looking on protected SS specifier. So let's have a quick look at the definition of protected SS specifier, and then we would be looking in more depth about it. So when the members are accessible in the inherited classes and cannot be accessed outside the class, however they can be accessed inside the class. So you might have heard this term before, they can be accessed inside the class, and this particular term would be mostly new to you. So basically what we learned in private SS specifiers. So private SS specifiers are those SS specifiers which can be accessed inside the class. And now whenever we add inherited or derived class, we get this protected SS specifiers. So basically protected specifier, you can see that it is something similar to the private SS specifier. So the basic difference is that in the protected SS specifiers, it can be accessed in the derived class, whereas private SS specifiers cannot be accessed inside the derived class. So basically this is the difference in protected as well as private SS specifier. So there is a short example which is present here, through which we would be learning about both of these SS specifiers. So here you can see there is a class car. Okay. Now here we have given protected in speed. Now here we are creating a subclass. So basically consider I am having a class as animal and I am creating a subclass as dog, a subclass as cat, a subclass as bird, which would be having same properties as animal like color, type and many things. So basically all these properties get color, then all these member variables would be present in this class, and this class, and we can modify it according to the dog class, according to the bird class and according to the cat class. So basically here I have created a subclass, class Audi, which would be inheriting all the properties from the class public car. Public is the modifier here and car is the class here. So basically here we are inheriting all the properties of this class Audi to this class car, and here you can see void set speed, int speed, and here this speed is equal to speed. So basically about this keyword we would be looking in the next video. What is this keyword? So basically you can understand that this refers to the current class object. So basically this is used to refer to the current class object. So this speed is equal to speed. So basically this speed and this speed would be this speed. So basically here we are setting the value of speed in this particular class. But you might think that protected is something which is used only inside the class, but that is not protected, that is actually private. So if the variable would have been private, we won't be able to access it inside another class, but when it's protected we can use it, but inside the class only where they have inherited the properties of that particular class or they are the child of that particular class. So here we can use this speed is equal to speed, and here we can print the speed, and here we can set the speed and print the speed. So basically as you can see that this particular speed variable can be accessed in their class as well as can be accessed in the derived class. So we can call this particular thing as protected. So basically about all these things like child class or inherited class or about this keyword we would be looking in the next videos. So stay tuned, and if you're someone who is new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you're someone who is liking my content, please hit the like button. And if you're someone who is watching this series or watching this video and have any kind of feedback for me, do comment it out so that I can improvise myself from the very next videos. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing. Bye all.